Today we're going to be making this deliciously moreish tomato risotto topped with crispy garlic crumbs. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. This tomato risotto is made with mainly store-cupboard ingredients and topped with those delicious crispy breadcrumbs. It's one of my favourite meat-free dinners. We're going to start by making a tomato-based stock. Add a 400 gram or 14 ounce tin of chopped tomatoes to a large jug. Pour in 240 ml or 1 cup of vegetable stock and 2 tablespoons of tomato puree or tomato paste and stir. Heat this stock in a small pan or in the microwave until almost boiling, then turn off the heat. That's the tomato-based stock ready, so now we want to heat a tablespoon of olive oil in a large frying pan. Add a diced onion to the pan and cook for 5 minutes until the onion starts to soften. Add in a minced clove of garlic, stir and then cook for a further minute. Next in goes 150 grams or 5½ ounces of Arborio risotto rice, and then stir that together until the oil has coated the rice. Pour in 75 ml or 2½ ounces of white wine and stir together. Wait for the wine to almost fully absorb, stirring it regularly, and then add the tomato stock a ladle at a time, ensuring each ladle is almost fully absorbed before adding the next. Ensure you keep stirring it regularly. This should take about 15 to 20 minutes until all the stock has gone. Once you've used up all the stock, have a little taste of the rice. It should be a lot softer but still with a bit of a bite to it. If it's still too hard, you can add an extra ladle or so of water or stock. Now turn the heat down really low and we're going to start on the breadcrumbs. Heat a tablespoon of unsalted butter in a small frying pan until it starts to foam. Add in 2 cloves of minced garlic and 1/4 teaspoon of salt and stir for about 30 seconds. Next in goes 30 grams or an ounce of panko breadcrumbs. Stir that together to ensure the butter covers all of the breadcrumbs. Cook the breadcrumbs over a medium heat until they're starting to brown a little. Keep stirring often and keep a close eye on them as they burn quite easily. When the breadcrumbs are browned, turn off the heat and add in a tablespoon of finely chopped parsley, the zest of half a lemon and 20 grams or 3/4 of an ounce of parmesan or vegetarian hard cheese if you want a veggie version. Now go back to your risotto. Add in 4 tablespoons of double or heavy cream, 4 tablespoons of grated parmesan cheese or that vegetarian hard cheese alternative, a good squeeze of lemon juice and a nice pinch of salt and pepper. Give everything a stir. Now you're ready to serve. You can serve it straight from the pan topped with those lovely crispy garlicky breadcrumbs or dish it out into bowls first. So that's my creamy tomato risotto with crispy garlic crumbs. A fantastic meat-free dinner, perfect for weekdays. See you next time.